have a candy cane.
Okay, everybody has a candy cane present.
This is for Allie.
No, I have a candy cane.
Get Hannah's candy cane present, please.
This is for Hannah. Okay. For Hannah.
Look, a puzzle.
Cool. I got this.
Do you know what that is?
No.
It's a squishy human body. You can look on the inside.
Yeah.
I got.
What did you get, Sarah?
I got one of these.
You got Tinker Toys. You can build stuff.
I got tools.
That's right. It
All right.
comes with tools.
Good job, Allie.
It's going to be upstairs only toy though, okay? Because we don't want your sisters to play.
Okay. Now I'm gonna open the other candy cane present.
Okay.
Ooh! I got this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sarah, do you want to open what Grandma got you? Yeah. Sarah, this is from Grandma.
Puzzle.
What's this, Mommy?
We'll play
It's
with
a
it later.
rainbow. I'll get it out later and show you, okay? You want to open the present from Grandma?
And it's a rainbow book.
Yeah, this is for Hannah.
Thanks.
Just like me.
Yeah, you want the blue one from Grandma? Here you go.
I want the gingerbread.
The gingerbread one from Auntie Heather. Here you go.
Open it.
Let me help.
Okay,
Pull the ribbon off.
That's a red card.
Yeah. We're going to turn those into projects later, okay? The ribbon. Just pull the ribbon off the bottom.
One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Do you see 4 gingerbreads on there?
I open that.
Yep. Open that. It's from Grandma. Yeah. There you go. See what's in there.
Rise it.
Open it up. Unwrap it.
Open it.
Okay, Daddy will help.
I can't open it.
What's in there? Oh, I mixed them up. That's Hannah's.
Oh.
I didn't read the tags properly. Sorry. Let's open. Did you read the tag on that one? What is that? That's for Sarah.
I got a lady.
Here you go, Ellie.
That's the paint.
Yeah, you got to. You love to paint.
I'll open it.
Okay, what is it?
Can I open it? Okay.
Hannah, what did you get?
A lady cuckoo bird.
A lady. Is that the Angry Bird you asked for Grandma? And it's pink?
I can't open it.
Okay, okay.
I can't open mine.
Here, Hannah. Go over here.
Open Daddy.
Well, I don't know if we want to open that right now.
Open it.
Oh, Daddy needs to snip this with a scissor.
No,
Can I have it?
well, that's Hannah's.
I have it.
Nope,
No,
that's
that's
Ellie's.
Ellie's.
There's a tag at the top you need to snip.
Okay.
The scissors.
I want this one.
Okay, give it to me. Oh my gosh, it makes noises.
That's me.
Yep,
we go, Elle.
good for you. What's inside there, Ellie? Dump it out.
Dump it out.
Shake.
Ooh, a bunch of little tiny animals.
See, look at that.
Daddy, can
Yes,
I
thank you.
open this?
Got a bunch of little animals.
Well, I don't know if we want to open this now.
Just open it and we'll
Oh,
see what kind of paper it paints on.
besides, it might be dry.
Don't rip the package all up until we can read it. What does the back of the package say? Okay.